Hi everybody, welcome back. We're at the spot today, me and Mr. Aaron over here gearing up. But right now, I'm gonna put on the Z-Man Swag LT 6-inch. Pretty dynamite lure. I'm not really sure how should I rig it, from the top or bottom. I don't even know how to rig it, so I'm gonna have Mr. Aaron assist me.
Yeah, I'll do that bottom hook since I kept missing so many on that top hook.
Okay. It got real cold last night. Cold to me is anything under 50. So how do you time?
You run it through the nose, a little hole, and usually the line kind of pushes it through the bottom. It's easier to get it through the bottom hole.
How you take the top one out? Just pull it out?
Yeah, just pull it out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I would just throw that in a box somewhere so you don't lose it.
Okay, that's a good one. And then you just put it through the nose?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, Mr. Aaron. See, you gotta have some professionals helping you. Figuring this out might have taken me 5 extra minutes, but I just got it done in 5 seconds. How about that? That's why I didn't put it on, because I knew this guy already done it. So I'm just doing a double palm or not. Kind of like this, 6 times around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These hooks are sticky. They stick you. I'm not the fish, bro. Stick the fish, okay? You gotta wait a little bit before you singe it. Make sure the singe is super tight. No malfunction happening because of fisherman era. So, like, the singe is super tight. Got the sniffles from yesterday. Stay in the water till 9 o'clock. But there you go. That's my Swag LT. We're gonna make it happen. Another grabbed it. Fish on. Yeah. First one of the day. Yeah. Finally took one. Yes. There we go. About a 14-incher. It's a good one right there. Cruising straight up to his hole. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, solid one. Yeah, fighting really hard. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Don't shake it, baby, don't shake it. Yes. There we go. There we go. Hold it tight. $18 and a half. Oh, this good one of the day. Yeah, but this beautiful shoal bass. 18 and a half inches. Gonna let it go. There it goes. In the depth. Sitting around right there. Just cruising, moseying away. Nice.
It's not a giant, but it's a good one.
All right, Mr. Aaron hooked me up with this hook. First catch with it. Walnut laser sharp hook. There we go. Just right after lunch. That's the lunch breaker right there. It's a good one right there. Probably about a 17 incher. Let's see. 15, 16 on the dot. 16 incher right here. All right, let him go. Underwater release. Fish on the swag LT. Biggin. Oh, biggin. Big one on that swag. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good one. It's hiding hard. Oh man. That's a big one. Oh. Oh. Yeah. 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 From that 16 swag LT, baby. Clutch. Hey, it pinned it. Have to break out the. Oh yeah. That swag LT 6 inch. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we go for. 20.
Nice.
20 and a quarter. 20 and a quarter. Yeah. There we go. 20 and a quarter right there, boys and girls. That'll do it. That'll do it. That'll do it. That'll do. No, you ain't going nowhere yet.
Honestly, like
20 and a quarter.
honestly, like. She looks huge in the water.
Yep. Hit him. There's a good one right there. Woo! That's the 21. That's the 21 right there. That's the 21. Don't lose them. Double up, baby. It's about a 17-incher right here. Mr. Aaron got himself one too. Look at that. He's fighting it. He got him in the net. It's a hoss. Look at that. Double up.
Rex has been on the big ones today. I had some catching up to do. Alright, y'all. There's my first trophy shoal bass of the trip. That's a certified bucket hat big.
Top water. The spot on the second fin got a big dark spot on it. We'll go ahead and release it. Look at that beauty. Alright, there he goes. Alright, look at that. Right in the middle, chilling, resting right there. Beautiful on the shoal run. Oh.
All right, y'all. That's a beautiful fish. It was 20 and a half, almost 20 and 3/4. So first trophy shoal bass of the trip for me. Really awesome catch, probably around 4 pounds there. And he just smacked that Berkeley bottom hopper, actually. The trick worm I saw.
They're eating little minnows. Oh my God, throw it right there. Oh man, did you? There's 2 of them followed my 6-inch glide bait all the way here. 2 of them. There we go. That swag LT. Swag. Look at that. Beautiful. Go. This hole?
Did you know it was ATV from someone?
The guy who I showed you the picture sent you?
Oh, he told me that was ATV. Yeah, I think I usually do better at the other ones. But
Which one?
like the ones down there, but I don't always come up this far. So.
You see, there's a hole by the... Oh, there's a big one. They just ate it. They just ate. Oh, there's a big one right there. Yeah, man. Goodness. That was a good one. Get him, dude. He's a solid one. He's a solid one. Get him. Yep, there's one. There you go. the one I'm. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Wanted to eat mine. Mr. Aaron's. It's a good one.
Solid one. The 17 or something like that. They're hitting it so hard sometimes that they're busting out the line. It's weird. Like sometimes they don't hit it enough, and then sometimes they'll break my line up like crazy. This is a new trick one. I'm back on the trick one. I'm kind of switching between the power bait and the trick one. Solid one now.
Right there. There you go.
Sometimes they do that. Like I barely don't want to water at all. And they just like to sit there for it. They go off. This is good. There's a video right there.
That's a good one right there. Giving us a show. What is it, 17 or 18? 17?
I didn't measure it, but probably 17.
Yes. Oh, fish on, biggin. Biggin. Oh, stay on. Stay on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. On that bone whopper plopper. Whopper flopper, bone. Oh my goodness.
I saw him come up and smack it. It wasn't very big, but my line just broke. Dude, I was swimming in the brook line. I nailed it. Broke my line.
There's a giant one followed it. A giant one followed it. A giant one. A giant one. Darn it. Darn it. A giant one. And a giant one followed. Which one?
Like the one's down there, but I don't always come up this far. So.
You see, there's a hole by the... Oh, there's a big one. They just ate it. They just ate. Oh, there's a big one right there.
You want to put it in?
Yeah, man. Goodness. That was a good one. Get him, dude. He's a solid one. He's a solid one. Get him. Yep, there's one. There you go. It's the one I'm... There you go. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Wanted to eat mine. There you go, Mr. Aaron's. It's a good one.
Solid one. The 17 or something like that. They're hitting it so hard sometimes that they're busting out the worm. It's weird, like sometimes they don't hit it enough, and then sometimes they'll break my worm up like crazy. This is a new fish on. I'm back on the fish on. I'm kind of switching the power bait and fish on. Solid one there.
Right there. Good one, man. Yeah, I watched him, followed him come in. There you go.
Sometimes they do that. Like, I barely don't want to water at all. And they just sit there until they go off. That's good. There's a video right there.
That's a good one right there. Giving us a show. What is it, 17 or 18? 17?
I didn't measure it, but probably 17.
Pretty fish.
That looks good.
Oh, got it. Big it. Big it. Big it. Oh, yeah, big it.
He's way up there. You might need to get up there.
Oh, it's a big one, dude.
Holy cow.
Holy shit, man.
That looks huge, dude. I might need to get the net up there. Be careful, though. Oh, it's coming, bro.
Guys, long cast matters. Make long casts, look for dark shaded area, afternoon hour like 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's when it's gonna happen. Mr. Aaron came in clutch.
There's more people up there.
I hope they don't see this. I hope they don't see this. Where we at? 20 inches?
Oh yeah, right out of it, bro.
Double 20s today?
I got him barely helping for him.
That's good.
Good enough.
That's good enough. Alright, let's do a release.
Okay.
We're gonna do a Fish on. Fish on. There we go. Double up, bro. Here. Woo! Oh, man. Big one. Come on. Big one. Yeah! Yeah, 6+. There's a show bass. $3.20s. Here's a nice 20-incher, solid fish. Got on the top water, whopper plopper. It's a good one. All right, hold on just a second. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Fish number 13. I'll let him go. Woo! Fishing has been on fire today. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come on in, fighting really hard. Come on in. Yeah, there we go. That's a hawk. There you go.
I've had a single hit on top water. I haven't used that much.
Boom. That's how we do it. From Tennessee. When we throw this whopper fly. 17 3/4. Not 18 inches. But fought like a champion. Loved it, every bit of it. Let's let him go. Wait. Yeah. That's what happened. Good little hole. Boom! Oh man, here comes it. Alright, let's go to the next flat. We're gonna go that way. Oh.